alongside, alongside, iruhande rwa. A car was parked alongside the road. A car was parked alongside the road. Imodoka yari iparitse iruhande rw'umuhanda. She walked alongside her brother. She walked alongside her brother. Yagendeye iruhande rwa musaza we. There is a small house alongside the river. There is a small house alongside the river. Hari inzu nto iruhande rw'uruzi. He sat alongside me during the meeting. He sat alongside me during the meeting. Yicaye iruhande rwanjye mu gihe cy'inama cyangwa se mu nama. Uburyo bwa kabiri dukoresha ijambo alongside, ivuga hamwe na. Examples: she works alongside experienced teachers. She works alongside experienced teachers. Akorana n'abarimu b'inararibonye. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Uyu munsi wa none tugiye kwiga uburyo butandukanye dukoreshamo alongside, across ndetse n'andi magambo menshi. Niba wifuza kwihugura ku rurimi rw'icyongereza, twandikiye kuri WhatsApp nambona muri screen yawe. Let's continue. Reka dukomeze. He studies alongside his job. He studies alongside his job. Yiga ariko anakora akazi ke. The company provides training alongside financial support. The company provides training alongside financial support. Isosiyete itanga amahugurwa hamwe n'ubufasha bw'amafaranga. I teach English alongside French. I teach English alongside English and French. Nigisha Icyongereza hamwe n'Igifaransa. Niba ukeneye kwihugura hagati y'izo ndimi ebyiri, twandikire kuri iyo nimero iri muri screen yawe. Uburyo bwa gatatu dukoresha alongside y'ibintu bibiri biri kubera icyarimwe cyangwa se biri guterera imbere icyarimwe. Examples: technology has developed alongside education. Technology has developed alongside education. Ikoranabuhanga ryatereye imbere hamwe n'uburezi. Ni ukuvuga ikoranabuhanga n'uburezi byose byatereye imbere icyarimwe. His business grew alongside his popularity. His business grew alongside his popularity. Ubucuruzi bwe bwagiye bwaguka uko yarushagaho kwamamara. Ni ukuvuga ubwamamare bwe ndetse n'ubucuruzi bwe byose byateraga imbere icyarimwe. Her confidence increased alongside her English skills. Her confidence increased alongside her English skills. Icyizere cye cyaruhijeho kwiyongera uko ubumenyi bwe bw'icyongereza bwiyongeraga. Ni ukuvuga byombi byiyongereraga icyarimwe. The project grew alongside the community. The project grew up The project grew alongside the community. Uwo mushinga wagiye waguka hamwe n'iterambere ry'abaturage. Byose byatereraga imbere icyarimwe. Ijambo rikurikiyeho ni above. Above, hejuru ya. Dukoresha above y'ikintu kiri hejuru y'ikindi. Examples: The picture is above the window. The picture is above the window. Ifoto iri hejuru y'idirishya. There is a clock above the door. There is a clock above the door. Hari isaha hejuru y'umuryango. The plane is flying above the clouds. The plane is flying above the clouds. Indege iri kuguruka hejuru y'ibicu. A bird was flying above my head. A bird was flying above my head. Inyoni yari iri kuguruka hejuru y'umutwe wanjye. Uburyo bwa kabiri dukoresha above. Above ishobora gusobanura kurenga umubare cyangwa se ingano runaka. Kurenga umubare runaka cyangwa se ingano y'ikintu runaka. Examples: children above the age of 10 can join the club. Children above the age of 10 can join the club. Abana barengeje imyaka 10 bashobora kwinjira muri club. The temperature is above 30 degrees. The temperature is above 30 degrees. Ubushyuhe buri hejuru ya dogere 30. His salary is above $1,000 a month. His salary is above $1,000 a month. Umushahara we urenga amadolari 1,000 ku kwezi. The price is above what I expected. The price is above what I expected. Igiciro kirenze icyo nari niteze. Uburyo bwa gatatu dukoresha above. Above ishobora kugaragaza ko umuntu afite umwanya cyangwa se urwego biri hejuru by'undi muntu. Afite umwanya uri hejuru y'undi muntu. Examples: she's above me in the company. She's above me in the company. She's above me in the company. Afite umwanya uri hejuru y'uwanjye muri iyi sosiyete. The manager is above the employees. The manager is above the employees. Umuyobozi ari ku rwego ruri hejuru y'urw'abakozi. He believes he is above everyone else. He believes he is above everyone else. Yibwira ko aruta abandi bose. No one is above the law. No one is above the law. Nta muntu uri hejuru y'amategeko. Uburyo bwa kane dukoresha above. Dukoresha above y'ikintu kirusha ikindi agaciro cyangwa se akamaro. Examples: I value honest above money. I value honest above money. Mpa agaciro ubunyangamugayo kuruta amafaranga. She puts her family above everything else. She puts her family above everything else. Ashyira umuryango we imbere y'ibindi byose. He values freedom above comfort. He values freedom above comfort. Aha agaciro ubwisanzure kuruta ubuzima bwiza. They put quality above quantity. They put quality above quantity. Bashyira ireme imbere y'ubwinshi. They put quality above quantity. Bashyira ireme imbere y'ubwinshi. Uburyo bwa gatanu dukoresha above. Above ishobora gukoreshwa twerekana ikintu cyavuzwe hejuru mu mwandiko cyangwa se mu nyandiko. Examples: read the sentence above. Read the sentence above. Soma interuro iri haruguru. As we mentioned above, we need more time. As we mentioned above, we need more time. Nk'uko twabivuze haruguru, dukeneye igihe kinini. See the example above. See the example above. Reba urugero ruri haruguru. The information above is important. The information above is important. Amakuru ari haruguru ni ingenzi. He thinks he is above apologizing. He thinks he is above apologizing. Yibwira ko gusaba imbabazi bitamukwiriye, byaba biri kumutesha agaciro. He is not above making mistakes. He is not above making mistakes. Ntago we ashobora gukora amakosa. Gukora amakosa yarabirenze. No one is above criticism. No one is above criticism. Nta muntu udashobora kunengwa. Nta muntu batanenga wabona. Niyo mpamvu bavuga ngo nta mwiza wabuze inenge. No one is above criticism. Nta mwiza wabuze inenge. He acts as if he is above everyone else. He acts as if he is above everyone else. Yitwara nkaho aruta abandi bose. Ijambo rikurikiye ni across. Across. Kwambukiranya. Dukoresha across iyo umuntu cyangwa ikintu biva ku ruhande rumwe bikajya ku rundi ruhande. Wambuka. Examples: she walked across the road. She walked across the road. Yambutse umuhanda. We swam across the river. We swam across the river. Twambutse uruzi twoga. He ran across the field. He ran across the field. Yirutse yambuka ikibuga. They drove across the bridge. They drove across the bridge. Batwaye imodoka bambuka ikiraro. Across. Uburyo bwa kabiri dukoresha across. Across ishobora gusobanura ko ikintu kiri hakurya y'ikindi. Examples: the bank is across the street. The bank is across the street. Banki iri hakurya y'umuhanda. There is a restaurant across the road. There is a restaurant across the road. Hari resitora hakurya y'umuhanda. She lives across the river. She lives across the river. Aba hakurya y'uruzi cyangwa se atuye hakurya y'uruzi. My school is across the street from my house. My school is across the street from my house. Ishuri ryanjye riri hakurya y'umuhanda uvuye ku nzu yanjye. My school is across the street from my house. Ishuri ryanjye riri hakurya y'umuhanda uvuye ku nzu yanjye. Uburyo bwa gatatu dukoreshamo across. Across ishobora gusobanura hirya no hino mu bice bitandukanye cyangwa se ahantu hatandukanye. Examples: the company has offices across the country. The company has offices across the country. Iyo sosiyete ifite ibiro hirya no hino mu gihugu. The news spread across the world. The news spread across the world. Amakuru yakwirakwiye hirya no hino ku isi. There are schools across the region. There are schools across the region. Hari amashuri hirya no hino muri ako karere cyangwa se muri ako gace. The disease spread across several countries. The disease spread across several countries. Iyo ndwara yakwirakwiye mu bihugu byinshi. Uburyo bwa gatanu across ikoreshwamo. Across ikoreshwa mu gutanga igitekerezo cyangwa se ubutumwa ku buryo abandi babwumva neza. Examples: I tried to get my message across. I tried to get my message across. Nagerageje gutanga ubutumwa bwanjye ku buryo bwumvikana. The teacher got the idea across to the students. The teacher got the idea across to the students. Umwarimu yasobanuriye abanyeshuri igitekerezo ku buryo cyumvikanye neza. It is difficult to get this point across. It is difficult to get this point across. It is difficult to get this point across. Biragoye gutuma abantu bumva neza iyi ngingo. She used a simple example to get her message across. She used a simple example to get her message across. Yakoresheje urugero rworoheje. Yakoresheje urugero rworoshye kugira ngo ubutumwa bwe bwumvikane neza. She used a simple example to get her message across. Yakoresheje urugero rworoshye kugira ngo ubutumwa bwe bwumvikane neza. Thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe, share and comment.